Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fry green plantains, okay? But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So usually the plantains are supposed to be all the way green, like really green, but this is what I found, so I just have to work with what I have. Alright, so to cut the plantains, you have 2 options, right? Depending on the size. If it's a smaller one, you can just cut it in half, but since this is a bigger one, you have 2 options. You can go this way and then slice it in half, or the other option is to go this way. So whatever is good, whatever you want to work with, it's completely up to you. Alright, so to fry the plantains, make sure you have enough oil in the pot. Oil is hot. Go ahead and add the plantains. Alright, so we're going to fry these on each side until they're yellow, not golden brown, but until they are yellow. As you can see, it's not golden brown, it's just yellow, and you'll see why. Alright, so for the next step, you're going to use a dishcloth or something. For me, I chose napkin. You're going to add the plantain on the cloth like that, and you can either use your hand or use an object to press the plantains, so it will end up looking like this. There you have it. have it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and fry these again. I'm going to add some salt. There you have it. And then I'm just going to dust it with a little Creole seasoning, which is optional.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.